Sometimes I sit in silence and listen to my own heart speak. It tells me how easy it would be to become what this world wants me to be. To stop asking questions, to stop searching for the truth, to trade conviction for comfort and surrender my youth. Oh, but something deeper keeps calling, a voice no storm can erase. Not loud enough for the crowd, but strong enough to lead me through the day. And if everything changes, let this one thing remain. If they laugh at my faith, if they call it a chain, when my hands are empty, when my strength grows thin, the last thing I own will be you within. It is not easy believing when doubt wears a friendly face, when right and wrong become strangers and truth has no resting place. I have watched many wander, following promises made of smoke, searching for water in deserts, drinking words that leave them broke. And I don't claim perfection, I stumble more than I stand, but every time I am falling, I feel the touch of your hand. And if everything changes, let this one thing remain. If they laugh at my faith, if they call it a chain, when my hands are empty, when my strength grows thin, the last thing I hold will be you within. Maybe the battle was never about proving who was right. Maybe it was about keeping a flame alive through the longest night. Maybe heaven is smiling at every soul that tries, not at those who never struggle, but those who rise and rise. So I will walk gently, with mercy where anger has been. I will carry hope like a lantern through places I've never seen. And when my journey is ending and the world fades from view, I won't remember the noise I escape, only that I stay true. If everything leaves me, let this one thing remain. Not wealth, not praise, not comfort, not gain. When my hands are empty, when my strength grows thin, the last thing I hold will be you with. Some hold silver, some hold power, some hold yesterday, I hold faith, and that is enough.